What are you doing right now? Walking, watching TV, relaxing, or participating in an event? Whatever you might be doing, you will certainly see people around you. Look around and you would find different kinds of people. You would notice and experience men who looks intelligent and smart. There are kids, parents, grandparents, husbands, wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, brothers and sisters. They are all different, but still the same. They don't look like you. They don't look like us. But we all are tied together by the beauty of life. Life is indeed so beautiful. Try to experience the feelings of a newlywed couple. You might have been married or not, but you certainly know how amazing this couple feels. That's how amazing a man feels when he becomes a father. That's how young students feel when they graduate. But life's beauty has to be valued and retained. You never know when disaster strikes. Cancer.
We have full-time doctors in all the departments who ensure that the treatment given to the patients is of the world standards, and the treatment for the cancer, which is multimodal, is coordinated by all the doctors among various departments to ensure optimal outcome.
Continues to make people's lives ugly all over the world. It is lethal and is caused due to a variety of reasons. There are over 100 types of cancers. Under this scenario, it makes absolutely no sense to take cancer lightly. HCG Cancer Centre is your accomplice in the fight against cancer. We understand that our life is just not about us, but our family. We understand that cancer just doesn't affect one person's life, but it disrupts the functioning of an entire family. It sometimes takes away the sole bread earner of a family. Hence, we fight against cancer as strong as we can. We do all we can to meet our long-term goal, that of having absolutely no deaths caused by cancer. Healthcare Global specializes in cancer care and is recognized as the architect of modern technology in the country today. The group came into existence in the year 1983 and comprises of 30 hospitals in 18 cities. The problem is that very few of us actually know what cancer is and what it can do. To gauge the understanding of the common person about cancer, we conducted a small research. We spoke with people by the roadside about 3 major ailments. We are conducting a survey on the health of our population. We wanted to know if you have diabetes. A cancer test is today as simple as a test of blood pressure or diabetes. At HCG, we conduct it professionally and skillfully. It is a great way of getting yourself absolutely sure that you aren't afflicted with this lethal disease. These and many other myths make cancer a difficult enemy to fight. At HCG, we have the expertise and the doctors to increase the chances of curing cancer. We share a glorious history of accomplishment and treat as many as 1 lakh cancer patients every year. So, what do? We follow an integrated approach to cancer service delivery. The focus is on delivering the right treatment and support to patients. We aim to identify cancer in its early stage and start the right treatment instantaneously. We are very strategic about our locations. The objective is that our cancer centers shall be population-based. Hence, if a rural area needs our services more than a metropolitan, we go to the rural area. and serve the population there. After all, it is about curing as many cancer patients as we can. Our centre in Ahmedabad is our first in the state of Gujarat. In fact, this is the first dedicated private comprehensive cancer centre in Gujarat. By making use of global innovations, we have ensured that the people of this state don't have to travel to different cities or foreign countries in order to receive intensive cancer care. We possess expertise in medical oncology, surgical oncology, and radiation oncology, with such features as targeted chemotherapy, Gujarat's first CO2 laser surgery machine, India's first true beam machine, and others. Our facility has to be seen to be believed. Our confidence in our doctors' abilities and our high-tech facilities give us the willingness to fight against the demon of cancer. Here, the course of treatment is decided by the tumor board, which comprises of oncosurgeon, medical oncologist, and radiation oncologist, and as such the outcome is better and in right direction. The uniqueness of our surgeons at HCG Cancer Centre is that they practice in subspecialty stream. What we mean to say is that a head and neck cancer surgeon operates only head and neck cancer patients, and a gastrointestinal cancer surgeon operates only gastrointestinal cancer patients. This is how the cancer is operated in the West, and by doing so, the expertise of the doctor in his stream is more than anybody else. Our passion and dedication can be wrapped up in this beautiful verse by Harivansh Rai Bachchan. The family of HCG bows down to all those cancer patients who have not just fought against this lethal disease with all their might, but have succeeded too. With the same passion, grit, and dedication, HCG Ahmedabad now opens up for public with the objective of truly defeating cancer forever.
Cancer is not a dreadful disease. Fear is our worst enemy. When we talk about cancer and fear, I believe fear itself is worse than having cancer diagnosis. So that is what we try to impart the patients. Positive attitude, right approach, and right advice will have an immensely beneficial effect on the patients and their families. And also economically, I believe it will be less expensive. So my advice to all the people who may have cancer, who may be having cancer, or if their known ones have, is to seek a proper opinion so cancer can be properly diagnosed and treated accordingly to get the best of outcomes. And this is what HCG differential is. This is what HCG believes and practices, and that is why we are leaders in cancer care today in this part of the world.